In this video, I'll show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 18. So you have the old iPhone and you want to update your iPhone to the latest iOS, then let me show you how to do this. So to begin, first you need to make sure your iPhone is at least 20% or over, or it's connected to a charger. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and open up your settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see General. On the screen, you want to go ahead and find Software Update. And now your iPhone will start to look for the iOS 18 software update. As you can see, I've installed the beta version of iOS 18, so I'll need to update my iPhone to iOS 18. So to do this, down below here, I've got the iOS 18 final update, so I can go ahead and tap on that. Now here you can go ahead and read what this iOS update will bring to your phone. And once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and tap on Update Now. Go ahead and enter in your passcode. And now go ahead and agree the terms and conditions. And now this will start to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18. Once the update is completed, your phone will restart and will come to this lock screen. Go ahead and unlock it. Finally, it'll take you to the home screen. This has now been updated to iOS 18. To confirm it's been updated, go ahead and tap on Settings. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on General. Then you want to tap on Software Update. And here you'll see the message, iOS 18 is up to date. And there you go, that is how to update your iPhone to the latest version, iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.